Hello viewer, are you facing Free Fire download problem? Here is a complete guide to fix Free Fire download failed error. Open your phone setting, scroll down and find out apps. Go to apps. Now search Google Play Service. Go to Google Play Service. Now find out Google Play Service storage. Tap on storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Service from the lower right corner. Now go back. Now search Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. Now go to storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Store. Now go back to your home screen and open your Google Play Store. Now tap on your profile icon. Go to Google Play Store setting. Now tap on About. Now from here update Google Play Store. Now check your internal storage. Make sure you have enough internal storage to download Free Fire application. Again open your phone setting. Now go to your connection setting and from here make sure your internet connection is stable, because sometimes unstable internet connection can create Free Fire download problem error.